What are the key factors that led to Iran winning the 2026 conflict? The surprising truth lies beyond just military strength, revealing how strategy, alliances, and innovation shaped the outcome. One of the main reasons Iran emerged victorious in the 2026 conflict was its ability to build strategic alliances. By partnering with regional actors and leveraging relationships with unconventional groups, Iran expanded its operational reach and resource access. These alliances complicated opposing forces' strategies, forcing them to spread thin and respond to multiple fronts simultaneously. This diplomatic chess game was crucial in tipping the balance of power. Iran's investment in technology paid off dramatically. Cutting-edge drone warfare allowed precision strikes without risking personnel, while cyber attacks crippled adversaries, communications, and infrastructure. This combination of unmanned aerial vehicles and cyber capabilities provided Iran with asymmetric advantages, disrupting enemy supply lines and command networks. These modern tools changed the face of conflict and kept Iranian forces one step ahead. Another key factor was Iran's internal resilience. Despite international sanctions and economic pressures, strong domestic support and robust civil defense systems ensured sustained morale and resource flow. Local manufacturing and repair capabilities minimized disruption. Citizens and military alike endured hardships, maintaining unity and focus. This homegrown resilience made it difficult for opponents to weaken Iran's war effort over time. Iran's victory in the 2026 conflict was no accident. It combined smart alliances, cutting-edge technology, and unwavering resilience. These lessons show how modern warfare extends beyond battlefield strength into diplomacy and innovation. If this sparked your curiosity, hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.